today we are having mussels, green lip mussels, corn, potatoes. We got some jasmine rice over here. I have lemon, I have my water. I am ready to smash, you hear me? Smash these mussels, smash this food. I hope you guys are amazing. I have 4 hard-boiled eggs here, you guys. Now I ordered this from Crab du Jour. It's a new seafood place here. And y'all, I asked them for hard-boiled eggs. Do you know that they charge $2.39 for 2 eggs? And I got 4. I was like, well, I could have went and went to the grocery store and made my own eggs and bought a dozen eggs. That's ridiculous. But anyway, I'm ready to dig in. How are you guys? This sauce is their spicy sauce. I got it extra spicy. Oh my god, this looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my god, that is so good. Egg falling apart. I love eggs. I love eggs in my seafood. So good. Whew. I got some lemon here. Yes. That is so good. Y'all, I just want to enjoy this today. I really do. Ooh, it's so good. This sauce is spicy. Really, really spicy. Man, that is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh man, these potatoes are good. They sweet. Yummy. That's sweet corn. Y'all know how I normally do my corn? I got lipstick on today. And I'm trying to be cute. Oh, excuse me. Thank you. That thing's spicy. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me, guys. Spice is getting in my nose. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is so good. Whew. Oh my gosh. Y'all gotta try these green lip mussels. They good. They so big too. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Mmm. So how are you guys? I'm back again. Y'all see me again. Mmm. Mmm. The corn is so good. Mmm. 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 Yes, ma'am. Mmm. Yeah. This don't need no extra nothing. Mmm. It's good. Cause y'all know I normally be putting like Tabasco on it. It don't need it. Mmm. It's salty. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. Mmm. 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 I don't feel like talking today, you guys. I just want to eat. Mmm. 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 This corn is very good. Mmm. Very sweet. And then with the sauce, it's salty. Mmm. 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 Woo. Mmm. 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 Woo! Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, you guys. Whew, when I tell you this is bomb, this is bomb. Like, seriously. I'm not kidding. I need more lemon now. Mmm. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Listen to me. That lemon was made for seafood. Lemon Lemon was made for seafood. It just really just takes it to a whole nother level. And you get your eggs. These eggs, one egg should really be like 50 cents. Like, come on now. Y'all charging $2.39 for 2 eggs? I gotta let them know that that's ridiculous. They have a box in there that says suggestions and tips and stuff like that. Next time, I'm telling them, like, come on now. Y'all tripping. $2.39 for 2 eggs. It should be like 50 cents. Excuse me. I just thought that was ridiculous. I looked at the receipt. I said, now y'all know. Y'all know better than that. Come on now. I mean, all the spice is getting in my nose, you guys. I'm sorry. I mean, it's that restaurant. They can charge whatever they want, but still. I love sweet corn. It's so good. That's crazy, y'all. That's so good. It's one of those spices where it's like, it's so good, you just keep eating it. Oh, excuse me. You guys are funny. Oh, y'all. The girl is getting full. Whew. Man, that's good. But I definitely would say Delaware has been getting a lot of seafood places. when I first started doing this, there was no seafood spots ever. I had to make my own seafood boils. I did everything myself. And I still do everything myself. But sometimes, like for mussels and stuff like that, I just get it. They got one place that their sauces, and it's okay. It's okay. This place is better. So if you ever come to Delaware, or if you're in Delaware, try crab du jour. It's really nice. Customer service is pretty good. Whew. It's very, very good. I was greedy. I was like, I want some rice too. I didn't barely eat the rice. And potatoes get to you after a while. Man, and potatoes are really, really good. Potatoes was delicious. Corn, everything was delicious. The sauce was really, really good. It's salty, but a lot of people like their seafood salty and spicy. So it's a really good crab sauce, seafood sauce. Oh, oh my goodness, you guys. Woo! I hope I'm gonna be able to stay awake after this, because my God, this was really good. I'm so silly. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just silly. I've just been happy lately, you know. It's really nothing to be sad about. You know, you guys just have to be happy. Choose to be happy every single day. Happiness is a choice. You stand in your happiness and you be happy. Don't let nobody dim your light. Don't let nobody try to make you feel bad because you laughing and happy. Like, let them be miserable on their own. You don't dim your light for nobody. I love y'all. I will see you guys tomorrow. Leave a comment down below what you want me to eat. Down below what you want me to eat. Down below what you want me to eat. I love you so much. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I love you. And I'll see you next time.